the Make It Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, we'll see about how to handle errors in our Python programs. Let's get into the demo. What I'm going to do is I'll start by writing a simple program. I want to get the age of user from the terminal. For that I'm using input building function age. That's it. And I need to store it in a variable and make use of age as a variable. And they'll be entering in the whatever they are entering the terminal, it will be as a string only, right? So I need to convert the values using type conversion int. That's it. And what I'm doing is I'm just printing the value. Let's see what's happening. That's it. I'm just running this pieces of code. I'm just entering 32. And now here, look at this exit code of the program. Exit code 0 means our program terminated successfully. There were no errors. But what if you get error? I'm trying to run this program again. I'm just typing some other values string value. I'm typing something. And see here, we get the value error, invalid literal for integer with the base the value we entered. Basically, what the message is telling is the string, this gh doesn't contain a valid whole number that can be converted to an integer. Now look at the exit code. The exit code 1 means our exit code is crashed. So 0 means always success and 1 means crashed. Now as a programmer, we should anticipate the situation. We don't want to let our entire program crash just because the user entered the invalid value. So instead of letting the program crash, we can handle the situation and print some proper error message. And that's what I'm going to show in this video. Before going to this, let's just make sure this what is the error, value error, because we'll get back this shortly. Now what we have to do is to handle these errors in Python, we have a construct called try except. How it will be try except. There will be construct called try except. Now let's see how we have to do that and just make use of try. Let me show you how it works. And after that I need to use colon. You all know about after the colon, if I enter means it will the block will get indented, and what are the statements will go to this particular piece of block of code. I'm just moving this one here and here. That's it. And next that what you have to do is I want to have the except block here. Except. So with this except block, what I have to do is I need to type the error, what is the type of error I need to throw when the program error occurs or when the program may encounter. And here what I do is I need to type the value error. This is the error, right? I just copy this one and here that's pasting it, value error. That's it. And in this block, what you have to do is we can define what should happen if a program encounters error of type value error. In this case, I'm just typing some print message. That's it. Print invalid value. That's it. So with this try, right, with this try and except, we are telling this Python, hey, go ahead and try running these 2 lines of code. And if you encounter any error of type value error, then you can print this line, print this error message on the terminal. So this is how it works. In programming, we refer this kind of error as an exception. So an exception is a kind of an error that crashes our programmer. So if user enters invalid value, this 2 line will raise an exception. These 2 lines will raise an exception, and it will catch in the 4th line the exception of value error, and it will print the error message. What are the error message will be giving over here, and our program will no longer will get into crash. Now let's see by running this program, and I'm just typing the value 32. It's working fine, and I'm just typing another scenario, just another value ASD something. See here it shows invalid value. Now with this we can we handle the exception. Now what will happen? Different kind of exception, different kind of error, different kind of exception. For that what I'm doing is I'm just typing another variable called income equal to 20,000 and value, just typing the value value equal to income divided by age. That's it. I'm just printing this value. Now let's see what's happening over here. And what I'm doing is like I'm just typing the age as 0. See here, it is printing this 0 division error. So we couldn't catch this kind of error or exception in our except block. We didn't catch this kind of exception. This except block is only crashing the exception of type value error. It is only catching the exception of type value error only. For that, what you have to do is like we can add another exception like except block, except and 0 division error, then here you can print the error message, print of cannot divide by 0. That's it. Now let's see. Now again trying this code, just giving a type 0. See, now it is getting into the except block and it is printing the error message whatever you are given the print terminal. So this is a basic way like how to catch our exception and all. And if you don't know like what is the type of error, simply you can give it like except. That's it. So it will catch all the exceptions. For example, what I'm doing is like I'm just removing this everything, and print will be there. I don't know whether it may be a value error or a 0 division error or a index out of range error or like this. So I'm just giving except. Let's try this one. See here, if suppose I'm giving 0 means it will capture the invalid value. Again, I'm giving some string value means it is showing invalid value. We don't need to worry about it if you don't know the exception, what type of exception and all. Only if you know the correct exception and you want to handle in particular scenario means you can handle different exceptions. But as a beginner, just try to know about what is try and except and how to write in these pieces of code. And there is another way also like how to capture the exception. Like we can group the exceptions. Like you can group the value error. Like I can group the value error and 0 division error like this, and it will catch only these 2 errors alone. Like here, and again printing this one 0. That's it. And if you want to capture all other errors, you can just type except, and this will capture all other errors, other errors like this. So these are the ways we can able to try the except block, try except and catch block. So to recap, what we did is like we use the try and except blocks to handle the exceptions that are raised in our programs. As a programmers, we should always anticipate this kind of exceptions and handle them properly. And if you have any doubts on implementing this try except block, just add in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.